Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
First of all, I want to talk a little bit about intelligence, or the word intelligence. In my point of view, this word is so general. I mean, anyone in the world can be intelligent in something. So the word intelligent to me is to be good in something. So the only question that can come to our mind that which field are you intelligent in? So once you discover what kind of intelligent is you, so you're going to be good at this field. Today in my presentation I'm going to talk about 2 points, or it's going to be divided into 2 points. The first point, I'm going to talk about my own intelligence, or what I think that I'm good in. And the second thing, I'm going to give a mathematical example or problem, and I'm going to ask for your help to solve the mathematical problem. And after we solve the mathematical problem, we're going to convert this problem into a song. So you're the one who's going to compose this song from the zero.
Cool.
Okay. First of all, I think intelligence, it's about music. And since I was a child, I always my ears always go onto the music instead of listening to the lyrics and singer. I always just think about the music, how it's combined together, and I think about the instruments, each instrument, what it's doing in the song and stuff like that, until I learned the music theory, and I learned to play guitar. So now I'm able to analyze songs and write new songs as well. So now the second part, which is the fun part, it's going to be the mathematical problem. I hope you're good in mathematics, so you can help me.
Go ahead.
Okay. First, we have a group and capital. So you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Our question is, find S. This is our problem. Now I'll give some formulas and equations in order to help us how we can find S. Okay.
S sum? Is S the sum?
Yes?
Is it the sum?
No, it's S, only S.
Like X?
Yeah, you like X and Y. It's all symbols, okay? All right. First of all, S is equal. Of course, I made all of these equations yesterday, and I thought about it, and I created all the stuff you're gonna see. So it's X plus Y plus Z plus Q.
Algebra.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, X is given, and it's equal 85. Okay. Y. Okay, in order for Y, we have G before Y. G. And G is equal, it means group of N. Group of N. And as N is any number from the bigger N. So it's gonna be N. N plus 2, 2, N plus 3, N plus 5,
Oh, there's a little confusion.
N plus 7. We're still in the beginning. I mean, N plus 8, and N plus 10, N plus 12. What's the confusion?
What is XYZ and SQ?
What?
S equal X plus Y.
S equal X plus Y plus Z plus Q. Okay. Now X is given, it's 85. Okay?
85.
Yeah, 85. Yeah, it's given. And G, now we'll see why we have G, because X, it depends on G. So now, sorry, Y, it depends on G. So Y, it's going to be random four digits, random 4 digits from group Y is going to be any random 4 digits from group of n, which is G, but we have to start with n. So n, we can choose any number from those. Now we will see when we apply those formulas in the solution, we can understand better.
How about Z?
And now we'll go Z. And this is the most confusing part. Okay. Z consists of 4 groups. First group is going to be Y1 plus. Y1, it means in the group of Y, the first number, first digit. This is the order, okay? Plus G, order of Y1 plus 2. Okay? Plus G, order
Of Y2
order,
plus
no, of Y1, order of Y1 plus 4. Okay?
Okay.
Do we have any mathematicians here?
Plus, yeah, I think Boeing, he's an engineer, so.
He's trying.
Okay.
What's G-O-Y mean?
G, I mean, here this number, the sum of this number is going to be the order of the group G, the number on order, okay? So this is the order of Y1 in the group G plus 2. We will see now, you will know when we put it here, okay? And we have Y2 as well, plus Y3, like Y2, same, but instead of Y1 it will be Y2.
Okay.
And here plus Y3, same, plus Y4. It will be the same. All those the same of this equation, but instead of 1, it will be 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what's left? And Q is any random numbers as you like from G. Now we have the equations, so now we'll try to get the solution. Okay. First, now we have X as given, okay, it's given. Now we'll take Y, okay. Sorry, it's going to be G. Okay, now group of N. Now we have to choose any number from this as the small n. So I'm going to choose 1. So tell me, what the group of G is going to be? 1, the other number?
3, 5,
3, after 3? 4, yeah?
5,
6.
No.
And
Six.
and plus 5.
4,
6,
8,
8,
9, 11, and 13.
9,
11, 13.
yeah, 9, 11. We don't have 13, it's 12. So we're going.
We do have n plus 12.
No. It's only. I mean, the rule. It's you can't have more number than those.
صح؟
Yeah, you can delete the last part. Anyway, so this is our G. We don't have any problem. All of you on track?
Yeah.
Okay. Now going to Y. So Y, it's random 4 digits from group of n starting with n. So what's our n? The small n, it's 1. So we have to start with 1. So it's going to be 1. And random, I will choose 9, 4, 11. 9, 4, and
11.
11. We don't have any problem. Okay. Now we're going to have Z or Z. Z. It's going to be, okay. Now you should a little bit concentrate on this. What is Y1? This is what? Yeah, of course, Y1 is, it's the order of Y.
Yeah.
So what
One.
is Y1? It's 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 1 plus G, the order of Y1
Which
in
is
the G group. In the G group, the order of Y1.
First?
Yeah, it's the first.
it's 1.
Yeah, plus 2,
3.
3. So the third number in the group G, it will be 4. Okay. So 1 plus 4 plus, we're going to see the order of Y1, it's as we said, it's the first, plus
Mhm.
4, 5, fifth. So we're going to look for the fifth
1, 2,
place
3,
in the
4,
group G.
5,
1, 2,
8.
3, 4, 5.
8.
So it's going to be 8. Okay? Plus, the second number is going to be Y2, which is 9. Plus, the order of 9 in the G group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the sixth place, right?
Yeah.
6 plus 2, 8.
8.
7, we don't have 8, so we're going to go first. You know, like
Okay.
it's continuous. It's a loop. So it's going to be the second number, 1. Yeah? 1. Plus, the order of 9, as we said, it's 7. So 7 plus 4, it's going to be,
11.
11.
yeah. So here 1, and the order of this is 7.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. 6 plus 4?
10.
So we want the 10th place. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to be 4. And the rest as well. So I'm going to write the rest. So you understand
Okay.
how it's come, right?
Okay.
With this formula. So the rest is going to be 4 plus 8 plus 11 plus 11 plus 3 plus 6. Okay? Now what's left? Q, we can put any random numbers. So now we have Z, we have Y, and we have X, and we have Q. Now
Do-
we can, the problem is solved as mathematical problem. Okay. What's related all this to music and how we can compose music from those numbers? All right. First of all, I want to tell you, music, all music in the world, and every song that you hear in the world, it's only about 12 notes. Any sound you hear in the world, in your life, it's only 12 notes. Those notes are 12
Okay.
Yeah.
A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, G,
G sharp.
G sharp. 12. Okay? Those
Okay.
12. So I'll put here because because we can replace numbers by letters. Huh? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's something. A sharp, D.
Hmm.
C sharp, D sharp, F sharp.
What's the problem?
F sharp. You don't have F sharp.
No, yeah, F sharp. There's no. So. Yeah. G sharp. 12. Okay, so those are the notes of music, the initial notes. Okay? Find S. We're gonna replace S with find or create
Song. Song.
an A minor song. Minor song. This is our question. What is A minor? Okay, now we have 12 notes, but we can't just put those 12 notes randomly together to get music. There's specific skills that you should take off or narrow those 12 notes into less notes in order to put those notes together and you're gonna hear something. For example, we have many scales like blues, for example, blues scale. You know blues music? You're gonna take specific notes, put them together, you're gonna hear blues sound. There's another scale as well, it's named the minor scale. The minor scale has a specific formula that with this formula, when you take from here numbers, it will be related together. When you listen to it, it's gonna give you a minor scale song, which is this formula of G. So we're gonna replace G, and it's going to be A minor scale. Why A? Because our main note is A. You remember group of N, the small n?
Mm-hmm.
This small n is the name of the minor scale. We can have B minor scale, we can have C minor scale, but we chose one, so we're going to have A minor scale. So it's going to be A minor scale. Okay, now we can replace those.
Mm-hmm.
Help me. 1,
A.
it's going to be A. 3,
B,
B. 4,
C,
C. 6,
D,
8, E. 9, F. And 11, G. This is our minor scale. So now we only have 7 notes instead of 12 notes. Those 7 notes together, it's called the minor scale. So our song, it can't be out of those 7 notes. Otherwise, it will sound noisy or there's something wrong with the song. Okay? Now, after we narrowed the 12 notes of music to the minor scale, now we should do the song. You know what this Y is? Are you on track or just nodding your head? Yeah? All of you? No questions?
Go ahead,
Everything's
go
good?
ahead.
Okay.
on the same page.
Any song in the world, it has similar things. First thing, the beat of the song. The beat. It has to have the beat in order to control the tempo of the song. And this beat, it's usually the same all the song. You know what this beat is? This given X.
Very good.
Beats. 25 beats per minute. This is the unit of the tempo in music. It's beats per minute. So X we're going to replace by the beat. What after the beat come? The bass. The bass is something that all the song it's going to based on. It's 4 notes, only 4 notes, repeating the whole song in each loop. It's always repeating. That's why we took randomly, beginning with N. We begin with the first note because it has to begin with our scale. Our scale is A, so we have to begin with A. This is our bass. We're going to remove Y and we're going to write bass. 1, it's going to be
A,
A. A note. 9,
F,
F. 4,
C,
11. Now we have the bass, right? The song is going to be A, F, C, G. A, F, C, G, repeating. Now I will let you listen to the bass alone. Don't sleep. Okay. Now you can listen to the bass. Okay, first, hear the beat. 85 beats per minute. It will sound like this. Okay? The whole song. The bass. We made the bass only 4 notes and it's repeating the whole song. It will sound like this. F, C, G, A, F, C, G. Okay? But to have the bass as background in the song, is not enough. So we have to boost the background of the song in order to make it rich to our ears. So we're gonna add chords. What does chord mean? Chord is 3 notes played together at the same time. It will give us good sound to the ears. You know, guitar, for example, when you do tring, this chord, 3. What is the rule of our chord? This formula.
Z.
You remember this long formula?
Yeah.
It's
Mhm.
about
The chords.
the chords. And I chose the piano to make the chords. You can choose any instrument, but I chose the piano. So here it will be chords. Okay, the first chord. What is going to be?
A, C, E.
C, E. Second chord going to be, as you can see, as this, sorry?
Isn't the minor C sharp?
No. Minor is a scale. Anyway,
Minor chord.
sorry? Okay. So as we can see that the initial of each chord is the same as the first note of the bass. So this chord is going to be along with this note because it starts with A. The second one, it will be F and 1A and 4 C. This, it will be played with this. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
The third chord, it will be fourth, what?
C,
and
E,
E,
G,
G.
and so on.
You can see that all numbers, it's only within this scale, no other notes. So what after this?
G,
Yeah. G,
B,
B,
D.
and D. Okay, now we have 4 chords. It will sound like this. And don't forget that we're playing 3 notes together at the same time. It will be played like this. You can see? And it will go with the bass. F, C, G. This is our background. Now we have the beat, bass, and chords. What is missing? The
The
lead.
sheet.
The lead is whether if a singer sing, or it can be an instrument if we don't have singer. And this will be the cue, the one I told you about. Now the cue, you can take any number or any note, but within this scale. And you are free about the timing. You don't have to make it timing with the tempo. It's random, with your feelings. So I chose cue random numbers from a famous song. It's called Aisha. I think most of you know it. All right, now you'll listen to it. So now we have 2, I made 2 leads, so I have 2 cues. The first cue is a famous song. The second lead that I made, it's by my own feeling, and you will listen to the first one, and then there's a loop, and then you listen to the second one. So should I start the song all together?
Yeah.
All right. This, it will sound our mathematic problems. It will be like this. Now the bass. Okay? Cue. Okay, now the next loop, I made this line. Now you listen to the both cues together, going together, and it will not interrupt itself. It will give us good sound. It's named harmony. after I'm done with all these stuff, the bottom line that I always think about any problem or anything in my life, I convert it to my mathematics, because I think mathematics can allow us to solve any kind of problem, but if we can define our own equations to our problem. So I can conclude that everyone should discover his own intelligence and work on it in order to be a successful person. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask.
Nice.
No question?
Yeah, you haven't used this A shaft or A pound. I don't know how to call it.
Which one?
2, 5,
2,
7.
5,
Yeah, what's the benefit of it?
Because our scale is A minor scale. So when we have a song, we have one scale only to use. We can't use other notes because it will interrupt. It will sound not comfortable to the ears.
Okay.
Yeah. So for example, if we took another scale, we can use this and this and
Okay.
this. You know, yeah, it's only 7 from this
I
in a
see.
certain
I
way
see.
with some rules like these equations.
Okay.
And that's why we didn't take some of the. But it's, I mean, by chance that the A minor scale, it's only take the exact letters. It doesn't take the sharp.
I see.
It's only by chance. If you take anything else, you can take what. So
Is that right?
about what?
About A minor? A minor has a C sharp in it. I'm sorry, I just don't.
No, A minor
only
scale.
C.
No, this is the A minor scale. But I think in piano you're maybe learning it like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. It's kind of different from the letters. We, the guitarists, we learn music with English letters.